Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 divide 1 by 5 multiply 5. So let's start with today's video solution. What people do mistake, they cancel out this and their answer is 5, which is wrong. I know according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So 5 divided 1 by 5 multiply 5 from left to right. First is division. So there are two different things, that is 5 multiply 1 by 5 and 5 divide 1 by 5. In this case you can cancel out the 5 and the answer is 1, but in this case you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it's become 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, that is 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 times 5 is 125. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.